What if the most profound artistic creations of the future aren't born from human hands, but from the intricate dance between human imagination and artificial intelligence? This isn't science fiction, it's the present reality, and tools like Midjourney are at its forefront. Today, we're diving deep into creating art with AI with a Midjourney tutorial. We'll begin by exploring how AI-powered art generation is fundamentally challenging our traditional notions of creativity, pushing boundaries we once thought impenetrable. You'll learn about Midjourney itself, understanding it as a leading text-to-image synthesis tool that transforms your words into stunning visuals. Our journey will cover its core capabilities, guide you through practical workflows, and finally, look ahead at the profound future impact of this technology. Prepare to unlock a new realm of artistic expression. Before we jump into Midjourney specifics, let's establish our foundation. At its heart, Midjourney is a form of generative AI, a powerful class of artificial intelligence capable of producing entirely new content rather than just analyzing or classifying existing data. Think of it as a digital sculptor, able to mold raw data into novel forms, from text to images, music, or even code. Specifically, Midjourney utilizes text-to-image models, sophisticated neural networks trained on vast datasets of images and their corresponding textual descriptions. These models learn to bridge the gap between human language and visual concepts, allowing you to describe what you want, and the AI renders it. This brings us to prompt engineering, which is truly the art and science of communicating effectively with these AIs. It's about crafting precise, evocative text prompts that guide the AI towards your desired outcome, much like a director guiding an actor. And where does all this magic happen? In the latent space, a high-dimensional conceptual realm where the AI represents and manipulates ideas. It's a landscape of possibilities, and your prompt is the map telling the AI where to explore within it to find your vision. Now, let's peek under Midjourney's hood to understand its core mechanisms. The magic largely happens through diffusion models. Now, imagine starting with pure visual noise, like static on an old TV screen. Diffusion models work backwards, iteratively removing this noise, guided by your prompt, gradually revealing a coherent image. It's like slowly uncovering a picture hidden beneath layers of fog. To understand your prompt, Midjourney leverages technology similar to clip integration. Clip, or contrastive language image pre-training, helps the AI grasp the semantic meaning and stylistic nuances of your words, connecting them to visual concepts it has learned. This allows it to interpret a serene forest differently from a chaotic battlefield. Once the initial image is generated, it undergoes image scaling and refinement. This process enhances the detail, sharpens edges, and increases the resolution, transforming a rough sketch into a polished piece of art. Finally, Midjourney incorporates a crucial user feedback loop. Every time you rate an image, upscale it, or make variations, you're providing valuable data that helps the model learn and improve, making future generations even better. It's a continuous cycle of learning and creation. Let's translate theory into practice with a concrete Midjourney workflow for crafting a masterpiece. Our journey begins with Phase 1, ideation and initial prompting. This is where your concept takes shape. You'll use the Imagine command, starting with clear, concise descriptions of your subject, style, and mood. Think about keywords that define your vision. Next is Phase 2, iteration and refinement. The first output is rarely the final one. You'll explore variations, upscale promising images, and experiment with various parameters like aspect ratios, stylization levels, and chaos to fine-tune the aesthetic. It's an iterative dance of subtle adjustments. As you gain proficiency, you'll move to Phase 3, advanced techniques. This includes using multi-prompts to weigh different concepts, incorporating image prompts to influence style or composition from existing images, and utilizing seeds for reproducibility or exploring specific variations. These techniques give you unparalleled control. Finally, we have Phase 4, post-processing and curation. While Midjourney creates stunning images, external tools like Photoshop or GIMP can be used for minor touch-ups, color correction, or blending multiple AI-generated elements. Curating your best work and perhaps even sharing it on platforms like ArtStation or Behance completes the artistic cycle. This structured approach empowers you to move beyond random generation to intentional, guided creation. As we conclude our deep dive into Midjourney, it's crucial to look beyond the canvas, at the broader implications and future horizons of AI art. We must grapple with significant ethical considerations. Questions of copyright surrounding AI-generated art, the authenticity of digital creations, and inherent biases within the training data that can be perpetuated or amplified are paramount. Responsible use and transparent disclosure are key. Looking ahead, future trends point towards even more sophisticated capabilities. Imagine hyper-personalized AI art that adapts to your mood, truly interactive creation environments where AI responds dynamically to your gestures, and advanced multimodal AI that can generate art from text, audio, and even sensor data simultaneously. This shift is ushering in new creative paradigms. AI is evolving from merely a tool to a genuine collaborator, expanding the boundaries of human imagination and enabling artists to realize visions previously impossible. It's about augmenting human creativity, not replacing it. For further learning, I encourage you to experiment relentlessly with Midjourney and other AI art tools. Engage with the vibrant online communities, share your work, and most importantly, dedicate time to studying AI ethics. Understanding the technology's power comes with the responsibility to wield it thoughtfully. The future of art is being written in code, and you are now equipped to be a part of it.